Good evening one and all. My name is Kranti Biradar. Today our team discuss on the technology. Technology is helpful or harmful for us. So I want to say one thing for technology. If you marry with educational technology or any technology with content enriching quality, then we can win the circle. So let's discuss. You have to marry or not. So, hi Mayuri.
Hi Kranti.
Yes, and hi Prasad.
Hi.
Hi Vedant. You have any point about technology?
Yes, I think technology is big disadvantage for us because it causes air pollution on earth and
Okay.
it is a serious problem nowadays.
Okay, 1 minute. You have one.
I totally disagree with you. So the technology helps making the solar panel. Solar panel is useful, and this is create the green energy, and it is useful for the environment.
Yes.
But various vehicles and air conditioners and various power plant release harmful gases.
Yes,
and
yes,
that
you are
gases
also right.
damage to our ozone layer. And ultraviolet radiation directly comes on our skin and causes skin cancer.
Yes, she also right. Then you have any point?
I agree with you, but also the technology is useful. When you use the technology like email, WhatsApp, message, they reduce the transport, and this is useful for the environment.
But many bank details of persons are hacked and misused by bad people. This is the biggest disadvantage
But
nowadays.
that depends upon the user. You don't share your OTP password to anyone.
You have to agree with this point. Yes.
But
And you have any benefit for any point to represent the technology?
Technology is useful for the educational purpose. Using the technology, everyone has study in our world with any teacher. Like YouTube. YouTube is a free source for everyone, and many students can learn freely on YouTube.
But I think technology reduces the capability of student, like imagination, thinking capacity.
Yes, correct.
And many students have many problems like mental issues due to technology, like social media.
Yes, when you accept one technology, you should you also accept the disadvantage also. It
But,
depends
but
on
I
you
think-
how you take the technology.
But I think offline education is better than online.
You say that the technology is not good for our imagination power, but also the new technology like animation and drawing architecture in tablet. This is useful for creating new animations.
I agree. It is very quick to access, but it decreases the imagination and thinking power of people due to easy to access.
That depends upon the user how to use to like a positive way or negative way.
It depends on own.
One.
Yes. So I want to say one thing. Technology is just not a tool. It gives a learner voice. If you give the technology to others, they improve ourselves better than before. I think you belong to agriculture sector.
Yes.
Oh, it means it's very helpful to for.
Yes.
Various technological devices are made up of plastic, and plastic is non-degradable and not easy to
There are
degrade.
so many things.
But all industries are use only plastic more. Then what is the
But I
this is
think-
the big disadvantage.
I think this is our responsibility to awareness about the how to dispose your electronic devices. To don't throw in dump dispose to the electronic devices.
See, nowadays people are unaware about the technologies and they don't know how to decompose the machines and electronic devices. And I have to suggest one all to first you accept the technology and also you accept the harmful effect also. Then you can win and you can easily use the technologies. So later our discussion get over
So
and
this conclude that there is both I agree disadvantage and advantage.
yes, technology gives advantages also and disadvantages also.
Do you fear to get engaged in conversations? Afraid of